What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be doing part 2 of what's inside my Tiger bag, so let's go. It's in the main bag, so this one right here, it's pretty big. I forgot the size. Alright, so we're gonna go from top to bottom, so yeah. Okay, so here we have KVD 1.5 square bill crankbait. That's like a shad color. This is in a chartreuse, something like that color. Good for bass, wipers. And right here, going on to rattle traps. I got a perch imitation one. So I don't know why. Alright, I got this hair jig in the rattle trap. Please, I don't know why. Got this one. Caught a pike on it. That's why it's all messed up. You guys can see. I got a tiny one by Cotton Cordell. And I got a Rip and Wrap by Rapala. Good for walleye, bass. Yeah. I'm going on to the smaller crankbaits. I got this Storm one, deep diver crankbait. So yeah, it's pretty nice, good condition. I got this one. It's a flicker shad. Oh, yeah, it's a flicker shad. It's pretty nice. Get out. Alright, got this one right here. It's a crankbait of crawfish. It's by Rebel. This is one of my favorite ones. It's a jerkbait made by Rapala. Pretty nice. Catch crappies with it. And this one, another one by Rapala. And another jerkbait, which I don't know, looks like it's from Rebel. Oh, yep, it is from Rebel. So, next, we're going on to the bigger jerkbaits or crankbaits. I got this old Rapala bait. It's handmade, it's wooden. As you guys can see, it's getting, yeah, it's pretty old. It still works. Got this deep diver crankbait. It's called the Scatter Wrap Deep Husky Jack 10. Pretty nice. Got this one right here. I don't know where it's from. Never use it though. And this one right here is by Rapala. It's pretty big. It's like 5 inches. You guys can see. It's like the one, like the smaller jerkbait that I just showed you guys. Alright, so going on to swim baits. I got this swim bait right here. They're pretty big. Catch walleye with them. I got orange ones right here. I got smaller ones of those right here. And right here. So going on to top water now. I got frogs. Got this yellow one. And I got this one with no skirt. Trying to make it walk. So yeah. I got this top water walking bait. It's called the Subwalk 17 or something. Yeah, oh no, Subwalk 07. Pretty nice. Catch wipers with this. And I got this buzz bait. And I got some more frogs, which I don't use because they're pretty bad, in my opinion. It's scum frogs. I don't like them. Got this random bobber in here. Got some spinners. I don't know why they're in here. Got the fluke. I don't know why it's in here too. Alright. So going on to the bigger one. I keep it in a backpack because it's more comfortable. So yeah. Alright, so as you guys can see, got some bobbers in the first compartment. I got some hair jigs for like crappie, anything that will bite. Got some jig heads, small jig heads. Got this huge ball of jig heads. Just hooked myself again. Got this bait. It's from Alaska. I don't know why I have it in here. It's for halibut, but like, yeah, we don't have halibut here in Minnesota. Got some split shots. Yeah, I got some more weights over here. As you guys can see. Alright, going on to the other side. There's not that much on the other side, so it's gonna be real quick. I got this Gulp Alive bait right here. It's called Waxies, and it's in pink color. If you guys can see that. Got a jig, walleye. Yeah, that's basically it for the other side. And last one, I'm gonna be showing you guys. I'm gonna be showing you guys a spinner box. So I got some old ones, old spinners. Got some new ones, colored black. Got this old one that I've had for a long time. And last one, I'm gonna show you guys this. This one's pretty nice. Has a white body and a black head. So yeah, nice. Thank you for watching the video, and please like and subscribe and comment down below. Peace out.